Hello, boys and girls. As you probably noticed, I am not in my usual teaching place. And I'm sure you've noticed there's a big bowl of water here in front of me. Well, that's the reason why I'm not in my usual classroom, because I have to use this big bowl of water for our lesson today, and I didn't want it to spill in my classroom. I'm in the basement of my house, and it's a little chilly, so that's why I'm wearing my jacket. But we are going to do a math lesson today, all right? And it requires a bowl of water. Now, if you want to practice what I do in this video, if you want to practice it after doing the video, you can ask your parents about getting some water, whether it's a bowl or something smaller, or just using water from your sink and doing the same activity. But you've got to ask your parents about it, okay? All right. So, today in math, we are going to be talking about a big word called capacity. Can you say capacity? All right, so capacity is about how much something can hold, how much something can hold. So we're going to be learning about the math units that we use with capacity later in the week. But for today, we're just going to use some random things. So I'm just going to use a cup from my kitchen. All right? So this is just a regular cup. We are going to measure 1 cup. So if I wanted to see how much water this cup holds, I've got to, dip it in there. There you go. Fill up the cup with water. So this is 1 cup, one of these cups. Not measuring like 1 cup like you do with a measuring cup exactly, because this isn't a measuring cup. It's just a regular cup. But this is 1 cup that's this size. All right? But now we want to figure out how many cups does it take to fill other objects? All right? How many cups of water does it take to fill other objects? This is something you'll be doing on your worksheet. All right, so first thing I'm going to bring out is this cool mug about teaching. It says, "Teaching is a work of heart." And my brother gave it to me. So we're going to look at this mug. This is a pretty big mug. I love it because I can put a lot of tea in it when I drink my tea. But we're going to see about how many cups it takes to fill this mug. Because it might not be an exact number, right? We've done that with measuring. It might not be exact, but let's see how close we can get. All right, so let's start off. We have 1, 2, we're getting close, 3, oh, okay, if we did another cup, it would overflow. So this is about 3 cups, about 3 of Miss Rabideau's kitchen cups. All right, this is about 3 cups, all right? Let's pour that back in there. All right, let's put this to the side now. Okay, good. So we measured it with 1 mug. All right, so now let's try something a little bit bigger. Let's look at this bowl. Let's look at this bowl. All right, so here's 1 cup. Pour it in the bowl. Oh, this time you could see it, which is nice. All right, let's get a 2nd cup. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I think we maybe could fit 1 more to get it all the way to the top. 6. Wow, so this bowl holds about 6 cups of water. About 6. That's awesome. I didn't think it would be that many. Which leads me to our next thing. There we go. Don't want to spill this too much. For the next item, we are going to guess how many cups it would take to fill it. That's what you're going to be doing on your worksheet. You're going to guess. It'll give you 2 options, and you're going to guess how many cups it will take to fill that object. What the capacity is, how many cups it takes. Okay, so here I have a bowl, all right? Okay, so in order to guess and make a good educated guess about how many cups would fit in this bowl, I've really got to observe the bowl, right? I've got to look at it. So, okay, it's bigger than a soup bowl. It's not a super deep bowl, but it's still pretty big. It's pretty wide around, it's not a small bowl. So I want you to think of a number and guess, all right, how many of these cups of water can fit in Miss Rabideau's bowl? Okay? I'll give you a second to think of it. All right, I hope you have your guess in your head because we're going to find the correct answer. I am not sure. I'm going to guess 5, but I don't know because I have not tried it yet. So we will see. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm excited to find out. Whoops. 1, 2. Ooh, this is filling up faster than I thought it would. 3. Do you see the water in there? 4. 5. Ooh, it's not quite up to the top. It's very close. Let's see if we can get it to the top. 6. 6. Again, it's 6. Just like that one. It is 6 cups of water. Let me pour this out before I spill it. So this bowl held 6 cups of water, just like this one. Even though they're different sizes and shapes, those ones still both held 6 cups. So was your guess correct? Was your estimation correct? Mine was close, but not quite right. But that's okay because even when we get answers wrong, we're still learning. So you are going to do something similar. You can see if your parents will let you practice doing this at home too, taking some water and a cup from the kitchen and seeing how many cups it takes to fill different bowls or different objects that you have in your house. If you have permission from your parents, okay? I can't stress that enough. You have to make sure you have their permission. But then after you've done it yourself, or just after watching this video, you're going to do, let's see, it's workbook page 127. All right, so for this one, it says use a cup to estimate how much each container holds. So it shows you like a bottle of apple juice and it says about 1 cup. A watering can, it said about 10 cups. And maybe a big pot says about 60 cups. So you are going to use these here to help you estimate how many cups. Now you're going to choose between the 2 answers. So for this one, it shows you like a pitcher, like a lemonade pitcher. And it says 2 cups or 10 cups. So then you have to make your best guess. Which one do you think it would be? They help you with that one and they say 10 cups. Then you're going to have to look at this water bottle. It's a bigger water bottle. Does it have closer to 5 cups or to 50 cups? So then you've got to guess. 50 cups would be a lot of water. 5 cups would not be as much water. So which one do you think would work for that? All right, so that is what we are going to be working on. And then tomorrow we'll talk a little bit more about different types of measuring tools and different ways that we measure water and things like that. Okay, so that was your math lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you get to practice it a little bit at home. And don't forget to do your worksheet. Work hard, boys and girls. You've got this.